Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the color changing shiny pen by Shands, and we are going to see how well these compare to the other two sets that I have. As you can see, I've used these quite a bit. These are my favorite so far that I have found. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one that we're going to swatch is, I'm just going to put Shands up here at the top. Okay, so we have, the first one is silver. And I'm going to be swatching these on white and black paper. So that way that you can get a little idea of what they show up on better and how the colors shift out. So that's the silver. And then we have, I'm pretty sure this is like blue and gold or something. I don't know. This one's running really low on ink, so I hope it does what it's supposed to do. I can tell you why I like this set a lot more than I do the other two sets that I have. It's because they're extremely juicy and they actually lay down, you know, like they're supposed to. So that is one reason why I like them a lot. And number two, they take forever to dry. But other than that, they lay down on basically just about any type of paper. They're budget friendly. They're about $16. And you can get them on Amazon. And I think I've seen them on Instagram one point in time. And you can order them from their actual company. But, and I will be right back, y'all. Okay, guys, sorry about that. And we are going to continue swatching the Shands. But like I said, these pens are pretty awesome. Out of all the stars, if you could give them more than 5, I would. Because that's how well I like them. These don't compare to the dual hybrid metallics. They don't compare to basically crap. They don't, okay, how can I put this? They don't, like, when you're putting them on the paper, they don't get scratchy like most pens do. And with this set, you get a lot more colors than you do with the other 3 sets that I have, which the ZSCM set has a lot of pretty colors, but half of those I could not get to work. So, yeah. I was a little disappointed that I paid $10 for a product and half of it didn't work, so that's my opinion on that. And the next one we're going to swatch, I'm pretty sure it's grass green. Yeah, this one is blue and green, so. Okay, if you're wondering where I'm getting their colors from, at the bottom of their package tells you all their color names. And you can just go by that. You have silver, you have light blue, dark blue, green, purple, blue, blue, green, light green, dark green, and then you have like another green color, and then you have yellow, green, gold, yellow, orange, orange, red, red, pink, purplish red, purple, deep blue, and black. So you get 18 colors with this set. We are swatching out Emerald. This one is one of my favorite colors. Like one of my favorite green colors in the whole set. It's like a dark green and a light green mixed in together. This one goes at the end. And now we have yellow green. Yellow green is really pretty too. It's like a honeydew color with like a yellow and a light green. So it's really pretty. Now we have Emerald, which I thought I swatched Emerald earlier, but I don't guess I did. Or this is the green with the gold. I don't know, they're all like mixed up. So I did use them before I did my honest review on them to give the product, you know, an actual chance before I come on here and say something bad about it. So with this being said, and all the other stuff being said, as I said, these are my favorite dual metallics. I absolutely love them. They're worth every penny that you spend. I would even say buy like 2 or more packs of them, because they do tend to go pretty quickly. And I'm trying to get all the others back in the case properly. Okay. So now we have the gold. Okay, so when I do get done doing the swatching of the dual metallics, I will do a comparison of the gold and the silver in each set, and we can figure out which one is the best and which one that we like more. This is the pink. It's like a dark pink and a light pink. It's very pretty. Now we have the red. We have blue and purple again. This one's more like a galaxy. This is the one that I chose to use in the peacock video that got a lot of comments asking what kind of pins these were. So here they are. They are called Shan's Color Changing Shiny Pin. Okay, so here are Shan's. Here's the pin set. You get 18 different colors. They're smooth, they're creamy, and they're definitely very juicy pins. So I do recommend these, and you get a lot more for your money. So this set was like $15. Let's go ahead and take a look at this set. This is the DSCM set of 24. You get pins, 24 pins plus 24 refills right here. And let's go ahead and start swatching. And the good thing about these are that on the top of the cap, they are numbered. So that's what you get with these. Versus on this set, you don't get a number or anything like that on it. So I'm going to take the silver and I'm going to write VSCM. Okay, so we have the gold here. I don't even know if it still has any ink in it. I used it so daggum much that it's not funny. Okay, so we have pin number 2, which is like a yellow orange. And we have yellow green. Okay, so the one issue that I've had with the set of pens, 3 sets of them, 3 of the pens did not work when I got the set. So I changed out the refills. The refills did not work when I got the set of pens. If I were able to rate it, I would rate it probably 3 stars. Don't get me wrong, I like the case they come in. I like the fact that the pens are numbered and the color barrels, like the barrels inside the pen are numbered, if you can see that. Like, it comes color coded. So this is the silver. It's okay. It's basically like just a metallic silver. So I'm going to pull the golds and the silvers out so that we can do our gold and silver swatch later. And that was also another pen that did not work. As you see me try to swatch number 6, nothing would come out. Okay, so this one I'm going to find a refill for it and see if we can get it to work, which is number 7. Okay. Number 7 works, and we couldn't get number 6 to work, so we're going to give these all a fair shot before we say something. The full, basically new refill would not work, so we are going to try this one. Okay. So, we're back to number 6 again. We are going to try and see if this one, if we can revive it. If not, then nope, and I'm getting nothing at all. We did the tap method. I scribbled it. It's still not working. So, that's number 6 that doesn't work. What was this one? Number 22. So we are going to switch the pen refill out. See, they can be half full and they don't work. I mean, let's see if I can find 22. Okay, here's that one. Okay, this one works, thankfully. After I switched it up, it did work. So that is a good thing. So, we have that one. That was in the wrong spot. Now we have number 8, which is like a red color. Okay. We have number 9, which is, or number 9, which is pink. So, let's see how many of them we can get to revive before I review them during this video. Now we have number 11, which is one of my favorite colors. I love this one in this set. It's like a bluish color on black paper, but then when you put it on white paper, it's like purple and pink. We have number 12, which is like a galaxy color. This one is purple and blue. We have 13. I'm pretty sure this one is really pretty. It's like an extra glittery purple blue. And we have number 14. Which is a blue and blue or a blue and purple. Okay, so now we're getting into the greens. We have number 15. Okay, yeah, see, this is another one that didn't work. So, find 15 and see if I can get it to work. If I can find it. Here it is. So, yeah, see, 15 is like a blue-green. Very pretty. Only if they would work. And to get the end of the pin cap off, you just untwist the end of it if you have these. So, let's see if we can get this pin refill to work. It's working a little bit, but not very much. Yeah, this one's not working at all. So, we have number 17. I think it's just out of ink. And it's working a little, not very much. So I'm going to have to find a safety pin later and declog those pinholes and see if I can get them to work. We have number 19, which is a pretty green. This one is blue-green. We have number 18. And this one works some of the time. So I'm going to just go ahead and change that out too and see if I can get the pin refill to work. And we got it to work, so this one does work. It's aqua and blue, so and then we have number 16, which is in the wrong spot. Okay, I don't know what's up with this set, but I don't know if they're made poorly or what. But during this video, I have had to change out a portion of the pin refills, as you can see. And I've had to try and get them to work again. So it may be the quality of the ink that's in the pens that won't come out because the glitter is so thick. And that might be the only reason why they don't want to work. Yeah, neither one of those are working, so. And now we have number 20, which is a dark green. This one is very unique. It is like red and green. So, we have 21, which is black and red, I think. Nope, this one is just, no, it's black and red. Okay, now we have number 5, which is also in the wrong spot. It's a pretty blue. We have another red. And the last one that we have is this pretty purple pink. Absolutely beautiful color. This purple in the whole set is my favorite. One of my absolute favorites. So, okay. This set, I will give it 3 stars because I couldn't get a portion of my pens to work. So we had 1, 2, 3, and 4 that didn't work. Very beautiful colors, in fact, if you can see them. You get a little bit more of an option than with the Shans. This set is a cheaper set. It was, I want to say, maybe $9 when I found them. They did do a remake of them. I do have one of their older sets. They did work actually very well. But when I first purchased them, they didn't come in a case or they didn't come with refills. So, that is that set. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the pen refills back up really quick. But yeah, with the ZSCM, we had 4 pens that would not work all the way, because here are their refills, and their refills didn't work either, so. Okay, so the last set that I do have of dual metallics is Pentel Sparkle Pop. So we're going to take a look at these two, since we are doing a comparison. And I do have 2 Pentel dual hybrids left out of my whole set, so we will take a look at them too. Let's go ahead and get started with Pentel. So I'm just going to go ahead and start swatching. This is the red and black. Don't get me wrong, I like my Pentel pens, but these do not compare to those. Neither do those. So we're going to do silver and gold. And also put those aside for the silver and gold swatch comparison side by side. Now I get to figure out which green doesn't work. It was that one that did not work. So okay, we have purple and blue, which I think is almost empty because we did use it on the peacock page that we colored this month. Okay, so the Pentel pens. This is my thought. The Pentel pens, the purple, blue, and the green, they look the same on black paper, like they're both blue. But if you put them on white, you can see the difference. That's why I don't like them as much. Like, okay, you got gold, silver, you got blue and green, and then you have purple. But over here on the black, it's basically the same color. And then we have the orange, which is one of my favorites. I don't know why. I just like this orange pen for some reason. The orange is super sparkly, unlike most of the other colors. And this is the blue and green. Like this one right here, you can tell a little bit of a difference because you can see the green in it. And then, like I said, once you get it on a different paper, it's just blue. So that's why I'm a little bit iffy on that. And then we have this beautiful pink. Okay, so now I'm going to do the two dual hybrids that I have. Okay, so we're going to swatch the blue and the green one. Okay, what I don't like about the dual hybrids are that when these are laying down, they take up a little bit of the paper when you're putting them down versus the Pinto. The Pinto does it a little bit, but not a lot. And with the ZSCM, they don't do it hardly at all. But the Shans, they lay down extra smoothly. They don't take up the paper like you see right here and right here. As you can see, there are no funky marks in the paper when you lay them down. So, my favorite set of these are these Shans, and now I do want us to take a look at all the gold and silver and do like a little comparison with them to see which ones are the best. So we are going to start with Shans gold and silver. Here's what they look like. Let's see if I can bring it down a little bit. Ooh. Hopefully I didn't make you too dizzy there. I mean, this one goes down super smooth. It's very creamy. But it's not sparkly though. And when I get a silver pen, I want my silver pen, you know, to put the utmost sparkle that you can get onto a page. Okay, there's the silver Shans, and we're going to do it on white paper too. Even though I've already done these, but we're going to do it again. So there is the silver. Okay, show you what I'm talking about. The silver, it's not like sparkle, but it's basically, you know, silver. So let's go ahead and do the gold. The gold is fairly sparkly. You have to let it dry and then go back over it to get that gold sparkle that you want, but it's a very good gold. So that is it on the white paper. Okay, so now we have the ZSCM gold and silver. We're going to swatch the gold. The silver first. This silver is a little more silvery. It's not as metallic. Okay, so these two are okay. I do like the silver a little bit more. It's a little more sparkly than basic metallic. And let's check out our Pentel Sparkle and see which one works better. So we're going to do the gold first. And now we have the silver. Okay, the winner of the 3, gold and silver, is going to have to be Sparkle Pop, because I like the other 2. They're not a true gold, so they're like an off gold. I love the silver because it's actually sparkly, and I like the gold because it sparkles as well. So, it's basic glitter coming out of a pen, if you get what I mean. And I have to say those are my favorite, so I'm just going to go ahead and write yes, I know they decide to crap out on me when I just decide to write something, but there you go. And here are all of our swatches once again. And I'm gonna scooch back up. Okay. So, and if you guys have any questions about any of the products or would like me to link them down below in the description box, I will be glad to. Here are all of our swatches on both colors of paper. Like I said, if you have any more questions on the dual metallic pens, this one is the cheapest set that you can get, which is like $10. If you do have issues with them, I would message customer service on Vine. This one is the next set that you can get that is a budget-friendly set. You can get it for $15.99. Pentel Sparkle Pop are roughly about 17 to 20 bucks wherever you find them. And Pentel Dual Hybrid Metallics are about 20 or more, depending on if you get them individually or separate. Amazon does sell them open stock. You can also find them other places that are a little bit cheaper. I know Cold Pens has them open stock as well, so you could probably try to look there. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in our color along. Bye for now.